So hey guys, I'm more excited to let you know that Vocalic has been launched on 17 July 11 AM Eastern, and today I'm just quick review about what is Vocalic, what are the key benefits and features you will get in this software, and how Vocalic helps you to grow your business and making money for you. So today I am just reviewed the sales page of the Vocalic, that what are the goodies part of the sales page and what are the important things you should know. So if you bit in hurry, my purchase link plus my bonuses is waiting for you in the description box, so you can check it out. So let's jump on to the review. So Vocalic is an AI based software where you can convert your text content into speech and voiceovers easily. So this software developed for content creators who want to assist with their videos and voiceovers creation using AI technology. So Vocalic can create interactive videos for YouTube channels, video advertisements, e-learning platforms, customer onboardings, websites, and many more marketing platforms. This software will help you very lot. So if we quickly come on to the sales page, so here you can see you can create your profile pulling videos with voiceovers in just 60 seconds. So Vocalic allows you to convert your text to speech content in just 60 seconds. So that's the amazing thing. And you don't need being in front of camera, speaking a single word or hiring anyone here. You can create and sell videos and voiceovers in any language or big profits to dentists, gyms, cafes, retail stores, bookshops, affiliate marketers, coaches, and 100 plus other niches you can use with this software. So we see that tap into fast growing 200 billion video and voiceover industry. You can create stunning videos in any niche with the inbuilt video creator. You can create and publish YouTube shorts for tons of free traffic. You can make passive affiliate commissions creating product reviews videos and real human-like voiceovers in 150 plus unique voices and 30 plus languages. So Vocalic has 150 plus unique voices, which is human-like voices. Human-like means it sounds like a human. It is not a robotic sound. It will provide you human-like sounds, and they will also provide you 30 plus languages. So that's the great news. And in a commercial license included to build an incredible income helping clients. So if we come down below, we can see that what are the features and benefits you will get in this software. So you can create stunning videos in any niche, local or online, in 3 simple steps. You can easily create sales, product reviews, YouTube shorts or local videos. You can boost engagement and sales using videos. You can convert any text into a real human-like voiceover, as I told you. And you can make passive income affiliate commission creating videos, product reviews, etc. And you can convert any text script into a whiteboard and explain your videos. So you can create video directly from the image URL and upload the image from your device. And you can add background music to any of your videos, audio, voiceover, speed controller. They have multiple video qualities like HD, 720p, what type of resolution you will get. This software provides you. With Vocalic, you can create voiceover in 75 plus human and AI voices and 30 plus languages. You can create video using just a keyword research. You can create unlimited interactive podcasts. You can store unlimited videos, voiceover, and other media with integrated My Drive. Our Voice and Our Works create with any video editing software. You can add watermark, logo, etc. of your brand to your videos. Built-in content spinner to make your scripts unique, and 100% newbie friendly with no tech hassle. So if you are a beginner, this is the very beginner friendly software. You don't need any expertise, and Vocalic is also providing you free training to find tons of local clients, plus commercial license included to start selling voiceovers and video creation services for huge profits. So that's all about the features and benefits you will get in this software. So if we come down below, as you can see, you just create your voiceovers and videos in just 3 easy steps. So first step is choose. Here you can choose whether you want to have video, voiceover, podcast or YouTube shorts video. Whatever you want to make, you just choose it. Then step 2, you just copy and paste your text script to convert into the real human-like voiceovers and stunning videos in 30 plus languages instantly, or simply use a keyword and let Vocalic find beautiful images to use in your videos. In Vocalic, you can also add text, images, watermark, background music in your videos and make your videos very beautified. So as we have told you, no camera, no speaking single word or any hassle. You don't need anything else. It's a super easy. In the step 3, your voice has been prepared. You can use it. You can publish this content. You can drive more engagement, leads and sales. You can sell your videos and voiceover services in big bucks. You can create your YouTube channel and upload this video and generate money. You can also make passive affiliate commission with product review videos. There are a lot of possibilities. You all know that social media and online generating incomes is very high, because in this never-ending pandemic era, every business needs to switch to digital media for marketing, and the need to create professional videos with engaging voiceovers skyrockets without a doubt. So this has forced more than 86% of businesses to use video and marketing tools. So if you are an online marketer and online creator, and if you want to become online creator and build some online money, so this is the reason why you should know about this Vocalic software. So that's all about my Vocalic review. I hope you have get full information about this software. So in order to purchase this software, my purchasable link in the description box, you can check it out. And if you've done any purchase through me, I'll also provide you my premium $1,500 worth bonuses. You just share me your invoice on my Instagram handle and I'll provide you my $1,500 worth bonuses to you. So that's the wonderful offer for you.